day, everyone. My name is Katrin Bordeos, a BS Fisheries 4A student. In this video, I will discuss and present to you the importance of meteorology in our lives, in fisheries, and in aquatic resources. So, meteorology is defined as a branch of science concerned with the processes and phenomena at the atmosphere, especially as a means of forecasting the weather. The term meteorology has quite the history, deriving from the Greek word meteoron, which more or less meant that something in the sky. Meteorology affects our lives because it informs the public our current and future weather conditions, including predictions of natural disaster that can be devastating. Meteorologists study the weather on a daily basis until tools such as using tools such as satellites and computer models to make predictions and forecast this information to the general public. This is important not only in order to determine general conditions, but it is critical in the prediction and information given when a massive storm or disaster is imminent. First, all living organisms on Earth require liquid water to survive, especially us as a human. The weather controls the distribution of rainwater. By the help of meteorology, we can be always ready and aware of weather, or that we can plan some daily activities. Meteorology is important to people, especially for us who live in an island. So, as an islander, it is very important to be updated in weather condition because we traveled and ride on a motorized bangka, and most of the teachers that are deployed in San Miguel live in this city. So in this case, our city mayor announces some warnings such as gale warnings for the seafarers that are sailing in or on board in the sea. Weather warnings are important forecasts because they are used to protect life and properties. Forecasts based on temperature and precipitation are important also because it reduces damages and economic losses. Meteorology is important to fisheries as a high dependence on weather and oceanography because variation in temperature and salinity marine produces changes in the normal habitat, which promotes migration of species, catch normal, and the immigration of new species. Enterprises, especially in designing, in planning, and in management. Especially in San Miguel Island, the majority livelihood of people there are depend on aquatic resources. So weather can affect the economic level of fisher folks, and it is important to have a self-monitoring of weather before making their decisions on whether or not to proceed with their fishing activities for safe and preventive measures.